Hi everyone, welcome back to Om and Manu's World. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe and like and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. So today we are unboxing a tent for kids tent, and this is the box of it. You see, it's so long. I'll show you what came in there. We got some of these. So we got some of these connectors. We need that. See guys, there are a lot, green, orange. Let's keep it aside. Ooh, next we got some tubes, some pipes. Ooh, it's really long. There are two sets of pipes. This is the first one, but they are small. There are longer versions. 3, 2, 1, start. Boom, 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 boom. It's really long. So and the last part is we got the kind of cloth, because when we are done building, we throw the cloth on the top, right? Then it looks like a tent. So this is the tent part. There are the instructions to make them. Look at it, the instructions. So let's start. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's start assembling the tent. So guys, we got these things from the box of the tent, Elsa tent. So let's start building. Okay, should we start? Yes, I'm really excited. Without further ado, let's build it. So we got some pipes. There are different types of pipes. You see, tall, medium, big, small, S. So let's start building. Okay, give me whatever I have. Alright? Are you excited? Okay? Yes, I'm really excited. Let's start without further ado, because I'm really excited. There are 4 kinds of pipes. This is the big one. This is the smallest one. You see, this is the kind of different sizes of pipes. And the smallest one. The longest one are A. Alright? A size. And the second longest size is B. See, B. And the third longest size is C. And the fourth longest size is D. As the instruction shows, A, B, C, D. So let's start assembling the tent. So let's start. So I'm going to keep to the corners B size. So we kept it like this. Now we need some 4 of these orange connectors. One goes to this corner. Look closely. You see the holes to the connector? Just keep the pipe through the pipe. And make sure it's tight. So then only the tent will stay strong. Yeah, you have the connector. Oh. Let's connect the last side. Done. Now let's check the instructions. It says we need the C size pipes. You see another hole comes above to keep this pipe through the top. One goes where my sister's keeping, and another goes here, and the last goes this side. So now, you need the green connectors now. I already prepared them. Alright. we need a triangle like this. And this side.
Yeah.
So we are keeping the green connectors.
Watch carefully because this may confuse you a bit. It already confused us, but we got
a lot. Because make sure like the size where we keep the C, make sure the height size go like a triangle above.
like this.
So make sure it comes to the C, not to the A stick. That's kind of the part where it will be really hard to make.
So guys, can you already see that there's like they're trying to form a triangle? Well, that's what we want, and you can see these are forming a sleeping line. That's what we also want.
So now,
as you can see,
now it's really important to get 2 A's. So okay, can you please give me 2
to match the height? Wait. To match the height width. So we need 2 pipes.
You build this side, I'll build this side.
Okay. So you see
these holes? Keep them through.
I told you they look like this, and now you're going to fix the pipes, and then you're going to add pipes here and add a connector.
Now we need.
I'll tell you why we need this extra pipe later.
It's really useful.
Yeah.
Now we need 4
D pipes.
They are really important
to make the triangular
shape you see,
which you want.
You'll be like, come on, what is this pipe? Cool.
Yeah.
It's not useful.
So as you can see, they come like this, but don't worry, this is very ripe. And as you can see, we have 2 more orange connectors left.
Yeah.
So
to connect these to make the tower kind of like.
Put one in here. This is new.
See,
and
make
put
sure
another
the shape comes like this. Like one pipe should stay through the middle. Make sure the shape kind of comes like that.
Instead of adding it like that, you're going to add the same. Put one in here. Put one in here. So the last A-size pipe is to hold the structure. And before you add the cloth on it, make sure all the joints are sealed tight.
Yeah. Now we need the A side.
A size.
Yeah. So that's it. This is the complete structure. So guys, this is the whole structure. Yeah. If you get it wrong, you better try it in a different way or any way. So this is the hard part, keeping the cloth on there carefully because it might even tear. So I think so. This is the door. This is the door.
Yeah, this is the door.
So guys, this is it, the tent. We are going to show you inside.
Okay, so it's really fun.
It is really fun
to go inside. Come on guys, I'll show you.
Go first, okay? It says, you see Disney Frozen.
Welcome.
Oh, this is awesome. You see Elsa, Anna.
This is so awesome.
And this is truly cloth. Elsa, Anna. Slowly fold, roll the tent,
door,
and make sure no rope goes through it.
Yeah. You can see these ropes now. So thank you for watching.